Hello guys, meet Frappe Assistant Core, MCP server that connects any LLM directly with ERPNext. It has got 15 plus specialized tools with it. Built on Model Context Protocol, it works with Claude, OpenAI, and other LLMs. So for today's demo, I'll be using Claude Desktop. Uh, for the demo, I'm using ERPNext demo data to show real-world inventory management. So here's what a typical day would look like. Okay. Can you check the stock for my items in my system and based on the selling patterns, generate a report and create purchase invoice for critical items whose stock levels are too low? So once done, create a dashboard to track delivery status of the purchase orders. So just imagine doing all these manually, the amount of work it's required, the amount of analysis a person would have to imply there. But with a wide range of suit, so here are the tools available. And with these tools, let's see how Claude AI accomplishes this task. So here we go. Typically, what an LLM will do, it is walking through the thought process. It's trying to create its own tasks here. So that's what we see here. Then we are looking at the tool execution, the action it's performing. So it's using a list documents tool to understand our inventory. Then it's using our run database query tool to check the stock levels directly. Great. So you could see these tools in action. And we have another very powerful tool that is running a Python code. So what this tool allows us, it allows any LLM to write Python code and execute it in our sandboxed environment. You could see this in action and how it's writing its own. This will take some time, so I'm just fast forwarding it for you guys. There was a failure here, so it tried to access now method from datetime, which is not available. So it was recovering from there and getting the results. Awesome. So it did get the inventory analysis and also the purchase recommendations. And you could see the report getting generated here. So just give it a minute so that not even a minute, it should be within seconds here. And done. So yeah, if you could look at this report. So here's what the critical finding is. It found that one item requires immediate purchase action, and total investment is required as $54,000. And items in back order list, 7 items across multiple warehouses, inventory health score. So a complete key insights of it and sales of performance highlights, critical actions, and detailed item analysis is here. Strategic recommendations, immediate action for the next 7 days, short-term actions for next 30 days, long-term strategy for the next quarter. Purchase order specifications, then done. So let's see what happens next. So it has to create purchase order for a critical inventory items, right? Which are running very low on stock. So it's trying to understand what which supplier it needs to uh, access, and then started creating a document. So great. There's a failure here. So let's see how LLM recovers. So what it does is it's trying to get the doc type info, then it is trying to list documents, what's required there, and now it's trying to create a purchase order with the with what it learned. Done. The document is successfully created. Let's say it's trying to submit the document now. Great, that's the document is submitted. So now we have also asked it to create a dashboard to track this purchase orders. So dashboard is being created. Now it's creating charts for the dashboard. Here it is, and excellent. It's completed everything. And here are the analysis results. Great. So now this is done. Let's go to ERPNext page and see the purchase order created and also the dashboard which has been created. So coming to purchase order here, we do see a purchase order being created, and here it is, and it's for the item camera. Now let's go to our doc time dashboard. So there's already purchase order tracking dashboard. Let me open that and let's see here. Awesome, right? So this demonstrates the capabilities any AI has got with the specialized tools available within the Frappe Assistant Core.